Hey guys, it is day 12 and I'm doing another little house today. If you haven't seen day 7, I recommend that you go back and watch that because that's where I actually take the cut file and put it all together and create the house. This one is already wrapped. I've already got the gift inside and I've tied it together with some gold and white baker's twine. So I'm just going to be decorating the outside. I am going to use one of these tags that I got from IKEA years and years and years ago. They were really pretty. They're like origami foxes, owls, and nutcrackers. And I just haven't used them because, of course, if you've watched some of my other videos, you know that I talk about how I have lots and lots of Christmas tags. More than I could ever use in a lifetime. So I figured it was time to use them. Of course, I've been hoarding them. I'm sure you have stuff like this too that you just think is beautiful and you hold on to forever. So I'm layering one of these tags with a glittered snowflake, and I'm just going to tie it in using the baker's twine that's already being used to hold the house shut. So the next thing I'm going to do is kind of decorate my house here a little bit, and I have some Rick Rack foam, it's like a glitter white Rick Rack foam tape. If you guys watched any of my Halloween videos, you saw me use the orange version of this quite a bit, but I'm going to add that to the roof. It makes it look a little bit like a gingerbread house. And then I'm going to add one of these massive gold and white layered snowflake stickers that I have that have been in my stash for a while. I've really been needing to use them. So it was like the perfect size, and it just looked really good on this little house. Of course, I'll need to add some numbers to this so she knows what day to open it up. So I'm using some gold puffy number stickers that I have from my stash. I used these last year to create some little advent houses, and I had quite a few of them left over. And then for the finishing touch, I'm just going to add a clear gold foiled sticker right next to the 12. And that is pretty much going to be it. These little houses are perfect to put your little stocking stuffers in, or great for like little chocolate pieces or something that you want to give maybe to like a coworker. They're nice and small, and they look like they took a lot of effort when they really didn't. I hope you guys are enjoying the series. I will see you guys back tomorrow for day 13.